Well, that's right, Mike. I may have found the perfect automotive thrill ride. It's lot 725, a 2005 Ford GT, but this one's special. It's a Hennessey 1000 edition. It's got twin turbochargers that have been mounted to this engine that'll pump out 1,000 horsepower. It'll slam you into the seat as you're rolling down the highway. Ford GT, this is from 2005, but this one's special. It's a Hennessey 1000.
John Hennessey's company has done great things with a number of great cars. Now, the Ford GTs were made in such limited number over a couple of year period here that it's kind of odd that a tuner would turn his attention to a car that already was very rare and valuable. This car has the stripes, it has the red calipers, the painted calipers, may have the Macintosh stereo, does not have the BBS wheels. Those were the only 4 factory options, but it's what Hennessey has done to this car that really makes it super.
Yes, they have the supercharged V8 from the factory here, but then Hennessey added twin turbos to feed into the supercharger to give it 1,000 horsepower. And when Craig was driving it, I thought he was a pretty cool cucumber with this thing. I'd be screaming like a banshee the entire time. But actually, to the previous owner's credit, this car does have 19,000 miles on it, so it was driven and used, which is unusual for us to see in a Ford GT. Most of the ones crossing the block have, well under 10,000 miles.
And we've got a new #1 seller. It's at 420. It looks like it's still moving.
Hennessey badging on the tail, identifying it as an HPE 1000. A little bit of Gurney lip to the spoiler here. Yes, that's another tribute to Dan Gurney, who came up with that for Indy cars at the back of the wing. Just a little lip for additional downforce. Notice how the exhaust protrudes through the bumper and big arrow underneath. Wow.
Now you can also see in the rear grille this curvature going around here, which obviously we need to get the turbos coming out of the exhaust to turn back into the supercharger. So you see an extra little twist there you wouldn't see on a normal Ford GT. Craig Jackson mentioned that it sounded a little muffled. He has a car and it sounds a stock car himself that he bought new, and he couldn't hear the supercharger as much, but obviously the power, unbelievable.
Well, it's believable if you got $450,000 that's going to that gentleman right there, who I think is also the guy who bought the Eleanor a few minutes ago. So he decided he wants to upgrade his garage in a really big way. The new #1 seller, a 2005 Ford GT Hennessey 1000, $450,000.